on, guys. How are you doing, guys? Look at this beautiful environment, guys. Look at this water. Everywhere is so beautiful. Look at the water, guys. So beautiful. Here in Lille, France. Just look at the water. This water is very chill, very cold. There is sun anyway, but the water is very chill. This water is free. No stop water. If you want to drink, you can go there and drink. If you want to wash your hand or your feet also, the water is free. You can see. Look at the water. So beautiful. Guys, are you seeing the water? It's a beautiful environment. Serene environment. Here in Lille, in France. The environment is so beautiful, you can see. I just feel like showing you guys this environment. Yeah. The area is beautiful. Thank you for watching, guys. I just feel like showing you guys this environment. See you next time. Bye. Bye.